Hi everyone. Today we are talking about something that affects over million of people. Obesity. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. This video is going to give some quick fixes for weight loss, right? Wrong. In this video, we are diving into 5 simple science-based lifestyle changes that actually work. No magic pills, no crazy diets, just simple changes that can transform your health naturally. So, grab a healthy snack, get comfortable, and let's get started. Hi, I am Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be their topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. Now, before we jump in, let's get real for a second. Obesity is not just about how you look, it's about your health. We are talking about increased risks of diabetes, heart diseases, and even some cancers. But here is the good news. Research shows that small sustainable lifestyle changes can make a massive difference. And do you know what's the best part? Well, you don't need some expensive gym memberships or some fancy meal plans. These are changes that anyone can make starting from today itself. So, let's dive into it. Alright, change number 1 is starting your day with a protein rich breakfast. I am talking about eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese or paneer, or even a protein smoothie, not some sugary cereals or a plain toast. Here is why this matters. Recent studies show that eating 25 to 30 grams of protein at breakfast can actually reduce your hunger. And when you are less hungry, then you are less likely to grab that mid-morning snack or overeat at lunch. But there is more to it. Protein has high thermic effect, which means that your body will burn more calories by just digesting protein compared to carbs and fats. It's like having a metabolism boost by just eating. Researchers found that people who ate breakfast rich in protein lost more weight and felt full longer compared to those who ate same calories but with less protein. So, you can add at least 2 eggs with some vegetables into your diet, or you can have Greek yogurt with some nuts and seeds. And after having these protein rich foods, just notice how long do you actually feel satisfied. Change number 2 is getting serious about your sleep. Now, when you don't get enough sleep, like sleeping less than 7 hours a night, your hunger hormones go all crazy. Basically, your ghrelin, which is a hunger hormone, goes up, and your leptin, which tells you are full, goes down. In result, you are more hungrier, you crave for junk foods, and you have less willpower to resist it. This can lead to overeating and, of course, obesity. A study found that people who slept less than 6 hours per night had a 55% higher risk of obesity compared to those who got 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Plus, poor sleep can affect your metabolism and it can also affect the way your body processes sugar. So, all you need to do is set a sleep schedule. Like, go to bed at the same time every single night. Switch off all your gadgets 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep. Keep your bedroom dark as well as cool, and you're all set. After doing all this, trust me, your body will literally thank you. Change number 3 is forget those intense workouts and just move more. Here is what research is showing us. Those little movements that you do throughout the day might be as important as that 1 hour of gym session. Scientists call it as NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Whether you are walking to the store, taking stairs, or even fidgeting while you are walking, every small movements count. Studies show that people who sit for more than 8 hours a day will have significantly higher risk of obesity even if they are doing exercise on a regular basis. But here is the exciting part. Just increasing daily movements by 2000 steps, which is about a 15-minute walk, can reduce the risk of having obesity and weight gain. So, instead of sitting for a longer period of time while you are walking, you can set a timer to stand up every 30 minutes. You can take your phone calls while walking. You can also park your car farther away from entrances so that you can walk in that time, and take the stairs whenever possible instead of taking elevators. These tiny changes can add up to 100 calories burned each week. That's insane, right? Change number 4 is eating slowly and mindfully. Most of us eat while scrolling through our phones or watching television. We don't even enjoy the taste of the foods. But here is what science says. It takes about 20 minutes for our brain to register that our stomach is full. Now, if we are eating quickly, then we might consume more calories than we actually need before our brain gets the message. That's not good, right? Recent research found that people who ate slowly consumed 10% fewer calories without even trying. It's like automatic calorie reduction without feeling deprived. So, try to chew each bite at least 15 to 20 times. Eat without any distractions like no phone, no television, no laptop. And ask yourself, am I still hungry halfway through your meal? This is not about restriction. This is about the connection with your food and your body. Change number 5 is getting your stress under control. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol, and chronic stress means chronic cortisol, which is a bad news for your waistline, right? Now, high level of cortisol can increase your appetite, especially for sugary and fatty foods. Have you ever noticed that you crave for an ice cream or for a burger when you have a stressful day? That's your cortisol talking to you. Plus, cortisol can promote fat storage, especially around your belly. which we can easily call as obesity. A study found that people with high stress levels were 2 to 3 times more likely to become obese even though they were managing their diet and exercise. So, in order to control your stress, you can try doing deep breathing exercises for just 5 minutes a day. You can try meditation or yoga for just 10 minutes. Spend some time in nature. Connect with your friends and family and find a hobby that you genuinely enjoy. Remember, managing your stress is not selfish. It's essential for your health. That's it. Alright, let's recap those 5 powerful lifestyle changes. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Give priority to 7 to 9 hours of sleep every single night. Move more throughout the day. Manage your stress and practice mindful eating. That's all. Here is the key. You don't need to do all 5 perfectly starting from tomorrow. Pick one that resonates with you, master that, and then add another one. Just so you know, small consistent changes can lead to massive results. So, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Just be patient with yourself and you can easily beat that obesity. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those lifestyle changes that I have mentioned, which of them are you going to try in order to get rid of that stubborn obesity? And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also remove that obesity from their body and can lead a healthy life. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. And remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.